Okay, so the second page, the question 4. Question 4. So solve this simultaneous equation by graphical method. Well, by graphical method, in fact, it means that just look at the graph and find the intersection here. So just find the point. Here means x equal to 2, while y equal to 5. So you find the answer. The answer should be boy. Boy. Okay, and the third one, if this point lie on the graph of this equation, what does that mean? If this is lying on the graph of this, which means that this point in fact can fit in this equation. Fit in this equation. So, which means that when you put x equal to -3 while y equal to 8, this equation holds, which means left hand side equal to right hand side. So let's put it now. When we put x equal to -3 minus a plus 4, we'll get 0. So when you have this one, and we have a here, and 24, sorry, -21 plus 4, which gives you this, and just much better. So the answer should be A. Should be A. Okay, so for this one, expansion. So perhaps you may find this very difficult, but first of all, in fact, you can do it in two methods. First method, do it in a much more easiest way. Can you see here? Because I hate the negative sign. So first of all, I can pick out the negative sign here first. What does that mean? So let me write down the equation here, and this one. So when I pick out the negative sign, I pick out the negative sign from here. I pick it out. So what do I get? Here become positive, because I pick up the negative sign from the whole bracket here. And what do you get here? Should be plus. So according to the identity, as you can see, this is 1 minus 1. I mean this thing minus this thing, and this thing plus this thing. So if you remember, whenever you have this thing, it's always equals to this. Always equal to this. So which means that when you have this one, which means I would like to add a bracket here because I have a negative sign out there, which means the square of this one, the square here. So I have, and then minus b square, and don't forget for the negative sign, which means you have this thing. So obviously you can find the answer should be boy.